Charles, you're one of our senior tech leads in the Java space, and the technology report highlighted some of the strengths and I guess sweet spots of where Java applies these days. And you've just come from a couple of big projects using Java. I just wanted to get your thoughts. First of all, I guess where Java sits best, what sort of organisations it fits best in.
Sure. So I guess the sweet spot where Java really shines these days is with organisations who firstly already have a big existing investment in Java technology. They have the tools and operational processes and the people who already know Java. And also in organisations and applications where you're talking about a high volume of transactions and places where speed is important as well. We're typically talking about enterprise applications with large teams, large code bases.
And you've done some work around using MongoDB with Java, haven't you? A couple of the different drivers.
Yeah, I've had the opportunity to work with the Spring Data project, their Mongo integration, which I've found to be very smooth, and it also brings a lot of the ideas from some of the Rails active record projects as well into the Java space. And that's something that I am seeing quite a bit more of recently, is bringing some of the ideas from other platforms and other languages into Java from dynamic languages such as Ruby. So if you look at some projects such as Spring Roo, the Play framework, things like that, it's almost like you're developing in a dynamic language working with these tools, because there's a lot of code generation going on behind the scenes and a lot of nice language features, tool features that allow you to be really productive in these tools, almost like you're working in a dynamic language.
I guess that's one of the strong legacies of where Java's come from and where it's at now, and that's the maturity of the JVM, and that other languages are able to take advantage of that mature foundation.
Yeah, absolutely. Although Java as a language itself may be in decline, the JVM as a platform is really going through somewhat of a renaissance. There are new languages coming. It seems almost monthly there's a new language, JVM language announced. Things such as Clojure, Scala, Extend, Kotlin, all of these new languages that are being built on the JVM. It's a really exciting place to be at the moment.
I guess where we started was talking about organisations that have that big investment and perhaps a code base or certainly operational support in Java and the JVM are able to test the water a bit, perhaps with some new features on an existing application or a new application in the same environment, perhaps in some of these other languages.
Yeah, absolutely. And projects these days, gone are the days when you just built an application using Java. These days it's about choosing the right tool for the job, and it's not uncommon to find systems where different parts of the system are built in different languages. So you may have a Java server-side with a Ruby front-end client. It's really this sort of polyglot kind of projects that are becoming more popular now, and even organisations who do have heavy investment in Java can still start building tools, applications using these other languages, and especially if they already run on the JVM, they already have the knowledge and expertise and the operational infrastructure to support that.